look, but it is 4 in the morning. Let's go to San Diego. So we're in San Diego. We're gonna go get breakfast at this place called Snooze and AM Eastery, or whatever we're gonna call it, eatery, because that's the only thing that's open. And yeah, it looked like a hot mess, but yeah, the place, like some, y'all, I am so tired. It is 6:46. So yeah, so here's better pictures and stuff, but yeah, interesting. But yeah, like that. So what we got here, this is like, yeah, the only place that was open. Don't mind my shirt, y'all. I'm tired, honestly. It's too early for this. Nothing's open. So yeah. Yeah. Yes. Oh yeah, my little cow. And then we did tic-tac-toe. We're actually gonna take the food to go because my dad has to go to his job thingy out here. So yeah. So the reason why we're actually here is for a car show for my dad and my tio, because they're working here, but because it's too cold for that. Oh yeah, it is bougie. Oh, is that the lady? Okay. Is he eating a Tesla? I don't know. Oh, right there. Yeah, there's a lot of designer stuff out here. Oh, shit. The toy shop. Huh? I said the toy shop. Oh, ruggedy rugs. Lululemon. That place is so overrated. My girl, no. Now starting to get crowded. Okay, Mom. Okay, go ahead. Y'all, my mom wants to take a picture of every single car.
4 hours later.
Barbie, period. Period. Totally. Like, that's just how it works. I touched the lady's hand. Yeah, so my mom tried putting me in this water. I don't know how they're going in there, girl. Like, that's disgusting. A cave? Yeah. Let's go in it then. You want to go? Yeah. Do you really? Look at it. They got seals. How are you going to say hi? They're all over there, Mom. Y'all, no. You want to go to the cave? I don't know.
It's all water though.
I know, I see that. That's
we have to
yeah, we're not.
It's gonna be low tide soon.
Oh my god, she's weird wanting to go there. I don't know. So yeah. Oh yes. Y'all, my mom is having me try on pants because she said my sweats were ripping at the bottom because they're too baggy. Oh yes. So y'all, They're interviewing people, y'all. Marilyn Monroe. No, it's girl.
Think.
The
No
clickety
place-
clackety.
No place like home.
What's her name? What's her name? I forgot.
Wizard of Oz,
Oh,
baby.
I knew it was
Right
Wizard
here.
of Oz. Y'all.
Oh my God.
Y'all, oh my goodness. Oh no, they got this. So it's later. We got home. I honestly wish I could have recorded more, but my phone was dead most of the time. But other than that, we were just looking at the cars, eating, buying stuff. I will give you guys a tour of what I bought or what I got, but that's downstairs, and I'm just wanting to go to bed. So like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and yep.